going down the highway. We got a caravan of people today going up in the Elkhorns. You can see there's Elkhorn Peak right there. That's where we're going.
It smells like cow shit. It's that big old brown streak. It's a bunch of fucking cow shit on the fucking road. Stinking my fucking god. It's just right.
Alright, so now we're pointed north again. And there's Elkhorn. So we're getting a little bit closer.
Look at that.
We found a place to go. Alright, well, we're going to pull down here and we're going to do some talking and then we'll talk to you soon. Alright, so we got the crew assembled. We're continuing up now. Still just these old mining cabins here. Some old miner's got his old stabbing cabin. Taking the old mining ladies up. Showing them where the gold's at.
Check this out.
Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Coming up on the Elkhorn ghost town now. And it's pretty cool. It's kind of cool. You gotta see, people are still camping up here, living up here and everything, but you really get to see what these old timers did. And it's pretty amazing how much work they actually put in to living up in a place it's rough up here. Winters it's cold and miserable, lots of snow, and of course you got all kinds of wild game up here. It's just madness. And so, you know, these guys really spent a lot of time building their houses and building saloons and, you know, entertainment and shelter and all, housing their goods and everything that they needed just so that they could keep it going. Man, I envy these guys though. They sure had a good one. I tell ya, the real life right here. This was it. This was the real deal. This is what people were doing and how they were doing it. And man, little barbershop was right here, the candy store, jewelry shop. Just name tags of where the old buildings were, the shoemakers. Amazing. Look at that tailing pile. Miners Union Clubhouse. There's just signs all over the place that just tell you about what was going on up here and who was who and what was what and when was when, and it's just a beautiful place, I'm not going to lie. Look at that. That's just cool. Looks like there's a doctor's office right there at one time. Alright, got the other card in. So here's our spot. This is where we've been working. Creek. Little waterfall. I got my box set up right over here. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but there's a little chunk of silver. Another little chunk of something right in here. It's really flashy blue. I don't know if it's sapphire or what, but there's something in there. It's another little piece there. Woo! Moved right by it. There's another little piece. So there's some gold in there, some silver.
Do a cleanup, see what we got.
Well, everyone, a little bit dirty. So here it is. Look at this valley. Isn't it beautiful? The creek goes down through. There it is. Alright, so I spent the morning running the blue bowl. And it's getting about down to nothing now, which is good. You can see a couple bright specks in there maybe through the water. I doubt it. It's kind of hard. There's a little flashiness there. Kind of shines through a little bit. And on the black mat down here, you see some of these really small pieces of gold just kind of slowly moving right there. So there's a couple really small ones just sitting on this mat, which is kind of cool. and then panning out the bigger stuff. I found focusing well. There's a couple little pieces. I can get them in the sun. That's the little piece of silver I found in there. That's from that area.